Hello everybody, Caroline Alizan here, a graduate student of the Grok Mentoring Program. It is Tuesday, May 31st of 2011, and we're looking at the Q's daily chart. Hope y'all had a wonderful long weekend and you're back in the game. So check this out. Look at this pretty chart here that we see in front of us. What a beautiful breakout to the upside through that upper area of resistance, which you see here in blue. And that was a part of that falling wedge formation that we talked about last week, and which is a bullish formation. So we were waiting for that breakout to happen, and finally we got into it really on Friday when we broke through that area of resistance right here, and we closed the day higher above it, and we were stuck inside those two moving averages which were pointing a little bit higher, pointing more north than south, which was a good sign. So we were breaking out of that rising wedge to the upside, and look what happened here today. Boom! Big gap up today on the Qs, and we were able to hold that gap, and we closed the day higher above all major areas of resistance on our way up here. The first one that you see here in gray, it was a significant area of resistance on our way up, and we broke out of it. We broke above it to the bullish side of the trade, and we closed also above that next area of resistance, which was a significant area of resistance right here, the 58.30 mark. So things are looking bullish here at this moment. And what else do we see? We're also bullish according to both moving averages. We are above both moving averages. The first one here that you see in red is the 50-day moving average. We are above it, as well as above the 8 moving average, which is slightly below the red one. And I would like to see the green one going above the red one. I would like to see the 8 moving average going above the 50-day moving average, and that would be even better. So that's what I'm looking for. But things are looking bullish right now. We're heading up towards that next area of resistance up here at the 58.60 mark, and then once we get there, we could either way pull back down a little bit to that lower area of support, the 58.30 mark, and then continue higher to that next area of resistance up here at 59.04, and then we could push it all the way up to that high of May 2nd, which was at the 59.34 mark. So watch these areas of resistance really closely and check this out. Look at the MACD. Look, we were just heading lower and lower on the MACD, and finally we crossed over, getting a positive tick, a little tiny positive tick, and we reversed to the upside with bigger positive ticks, which means that we are heading higher. We are trying to go higher and trying to go bullish according to MACD, but we are still below the zero line, so keep that in mind. So things can happen in here. I would like to see it crossing the zero line and pointing higher, entering into a bullish territory. I would like to see the MACD being above the zero line. And check this out. Look at the volume. We're getting a spike in volume today on that huge run, which is good. It's confirming that up move, but it's still slightly below the average. But it's higher than the previous bar, that's for sure. So pay close attention to volume as well to look for confirmation. Alright, so have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.